Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove Wix ads by upgrading your website. Those Wix ads can make your site look less professional, so upgrading to a premium plan is the solution to get rid of them completely. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're in your Wix dashboard, you'll see that to remove those ads, we need to subscribe to Wix's premium plan. This is the only way to eliminate the branding and make your site look fully professional. Next, locate any upgrade button on your screen. You'll notice these buttons appear in various places throughout the dashboard, but don't worry, they all link to the same page. Go ahead and click on any of them to proceed. Once you click the upgrade button, you'll be directed to the plan and features page. Here you can see the pricing and features for each plan that Wix offers. Take your time to read through each one of them carefully. This will help you choose the plan that better suits your business needs and budget. Some plans offer more storage, bandwidth, or additional features, so it's worth understanding what each tier includes. For a more detailed comparison, locate the Compare Plan Features button on the bottom part of the page and click on it. This will give you a comprehensive view of each plan's inclusions side by side, making it easier to see exactly what you're getting with each option. Once you're ready and have decided which plan fits your needs, click the Select button on the plan you wish to subscribe to. Now you need to set the duration of your subscription. You might see options like a 3-year plan, a 2-year plan, or a yearly renewal. You can also check on the monthly subscription if you prefer a shorter commitment. Do note that the monthly plan doesn't come with a free 1-year domain, so if you want that included, you'll need to go with one of the longer-term options. Once you're ready and have decided on your subscription duration, click on Continue to checkout. Now all you have to do is fill in the required fields for your payment method. Enter your card details and any other necessary information in the form provided. Once everything is filled in correctly, simply click on Submit Purchase. And that's it, your Wix account is now subscribed to Premium. You will not see ads on your Wix website anymore and can fully enjoy all its features without any branding getting in the way. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.